it's not easy to get up here and do this. It's really not. It's really not. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me. So I think I'm gonna do something unreleased. This next song is called Absolutely. And it's a song that me and TJ up here, we made. Yes, give it up for the ball guy. We made this song not even a month ago. So I hope y'all like it. And if y'all do, I don't know. We'll see.